In this video, we're going to show you how to create a habit tracker with Obsidian. Habit tracking is a powerful way to build consistency, monitor progress, and stay accountable to your personal and professional goals. Whether you're trying to exercise regularly, read more books, study consistently, practice a skill, or develop healthier routines, tracking your habits can help you stay motivated and focused. Many users choose Obsidian for habit tracking because it allows them to combine daily notes, goal setting, journaling, and productivity systems within a single workspace. This makes it easy to monitor habits alongside other areas of life and work. However, without a reliable tracking system, it's often difficult to know whether you're making consistent progress. Good intentions can quickly fade when habits aren't measured or reviewed regularly. The good news is that Obsidian provides flexible tools that make it easy to create and maintain a habit tracking system that fits your needs. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create a habit tracker with Obsidian and use it to monitor your progress over time. So let's get started. The first step is to decide which habits you want to track. Focus on a small number of important habits that support your goals and daily routines. Next, create a dedicated habit tracking note or add a habit tracking section to your daily notes. List each habit you want to monitor. For example, you might track exercise, reading, meditation, journaling, studying, hydration, or other recurring activities. Now, create a simple checklist or table structure. Each day, record whether you completed the habit. You can use checkboxes, symbols, or other indicators that are easy to update and review. Next, create a daily note where you'll record your habit progress. At the end of each day, review your habits and update the tracker accordingly. Many users also include notes about challenges, successes, or observations related to their habits. This additional context can help identify patterns and opportunities for improvement. You can also use tags and properties to organize habit-related notes and make them easier to find later. As your tracking system grows, review your progress regularly. Weekly and monthly reviews can help you identify which habits are becoming consistent and which areas may need additional attention. Some users also install community plugins that provide visual charts, calendars, and advanced tracking features. These tools can make it easier to analyze long-term progress and maintain motivation. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, choose the habits you want to track. Second, create a tracker using checklists, tables, or daily notes. And third, review your progress regularly and update your tracker consistently. Remember that habit tracking is most effective when it's simple and easy to maintain. The goal is not perfection, but consistency over time. Using Obsidian as a habit tracker allows you to keep your habits, goals, notes, and reflections connected in one organized system. This is especially useful for students, professionals, entrepreneurs, content creators, and anyone working to build positive long-term routines. Taking a few moments each day to track your habits can provide valuable insights and help you make steady progress toward your goals. And that's how to create a habit tracker with Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.